Hey gang, welcome back. We got our 1967 El Camino, man. This thing is cool. It's got a little nasty small block in it.
Yeah, man.
Pumping out some good sounds, some good thumps. But you know what? It's had some problems cooling.
No doubt.
We're gonna fix that right now.
Yeah, man. They apparently had welded up the aluminum bung in the previous radiator, and it was definitely leaking a little bit. A few other leaks in and around it. It definitely seen better days. I'll just put it to you like that.
It's kind of goobered up and patched and fixed. And it wasn't cooling real well. And you can see it had a single fan with a shroud kind of covering a lot of the airflow.
Right.
So not the best way to set one
I
up.
think that's a common mistake people do. They put one fan and one shroud on there, and there's a lot of real estate and a lot of surface area, right, that's just kind of blocked and congested with that. Not with this one. This is from Cold Case. It's Cold Case's aluminum performance radiator, and they have a dual fan and shroud kit. Really good setup, man. You don't have to worry about that real estate, being congested back over here. Most of the space on this radiator is all pulling air. It's moving air somewhere,
Really good airflow, real high flow fans. It's got a big, thick core with more capacity than the 4-row copper brass. 16 fins per inch gives it that perfect airflow, perfect cooling. And what's cool about the Cold Case setup is they're really designed to drop in. They look factory with the stamped tanks, but they got a lot of configurations.
Yeah, man, all kinds of different configurations. Also do LS conversions, Coyote conversions, Gen 4 Hemi conversions if you're in need of that. And really, you can opt in for anything, like the fan relay, that's what we got. Optimum billet cap, which is really cool. So everything you need to switch over to a much better cooling mechanism than what we had in here.
Yeah, it's nice because you can do really factory look, factory shrouds, or you can up it. Pick up your game a little bit. So let's get this thing in here. We'll get it nice and cool, rocking out. So when we go burn some rubber, man, it's gonna be fun.
All right. With these Cold Case radiators, they make it really easy. You got multiple slots to choose from, so you line up those factory hose, good to go.